Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a fill in the blank line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make the fill in the blank line. Click inside the text box and we can see here not the line. Then we go to the paragraph settings option. Then move the window, go to the tab settings and we can see here the default tab stops. Then we write the tab stop 6. Then select left and choose none. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard. And we can see we make a fill blank line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.